Hua'ao is committed to becoming a cleanroom industry leader. We are a professional manufacturer of cleanroom panels, doors, and windows. HUAAO CleanTechnology Company has been developing for more than 30 years, adhering to the principle of quality first, continuous innovation, to provide high-quality clean materials. From the product style, material selection for the overall control. We have 5 factories with more than 30 years of production experience, and a total plant area of 100,000 square meters. Hua'ao has more than 800 skilled employees, which can provide you with quality products and professional technical support. Our annual output reaches 8 million square meters per year, and Hua'ao can provide 100,000 square meters per day. The company's brand is also shortlisted in the Chinese Enterprise Brand Database. In addition, from the source to ensure zero product defect, a standardized scientific quality management system is developed. We have always carried on long-term learning and innovation, and formed a professional and efficient service team to bring better products and services to customers. We choose high-quality materials to ensure high-quality environmental protection through the National High Standard Quality Certification System, which won the certificate. We have 5 factories in China, which has laid a solid foundation for the layout of the country and the world. At the same time, a perfect warehousing and logistics distribution system has been established to provide customers with efficient distribution schemes.